Hey y'all, welcome back to the set. I am delighted you stopped by. Hey, today is going to be the mother of all breakfast burritos. This thing is huge, monster, 14-inch burrito size. You're gonna call your mama and be like, I have saw the biggest burrito ever. You will not want to miss it. Stick around. That's some good groceries. All right, folks, to get started with this big old breakfast burrito is we're gonna do some shredded hash browns first. I love using these Simply Potatoes brand. Really, really good. Also the dehydrated, use whatever you like. We're gonna put the whole bag of potatoes down onto a pre-warmed griddle. I got the griddle warmed up to about 350 degrees. I got it on low. So one trick with hash browns is they need lots of oil and they need time. All right, next we're gonna come in, we're gonna lay about a pound of bacon onto the griddle. One tip, I like to lay my bacon left to right because it makes it easier to flip. And next to this monstrosity, we're gonna add 1 pound of breakfast sausage. This is my favorite sausage, it's a local thing close to me. We're gonna season the hash browns up with a little bit of Blackstone Essentials blend. Hey, appreciate you watching thus far. If you don't mind, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. All right, now you want to take your sausage and you want to break up that block up pretty well, just so everything gets a nice contact patch. We'll leave this going for a couple minutes. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to flip our sausage and we're going to just break it up real nice. You want it into like bite-sized pieces. You just don't want big chunks. Also, after about 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to flip our bacon. You notice, like I said, this is how you can flip many at one time. Just kind of get up under as many as you can, flip them over. All right, guys, time to sound off. What kind of bacon do you like? Are you a crispy bacon fan or are you a chewy? Personally, I'm a chewy guy. I like my bacon with a little chew to it. A lot of people say it's gross. I'm sorry, that's what I like. All right, now it's time to flip our hash browns. We're just gonna come in kind of at chunks of this, flip them all over at once. One thing I like is a lot of this bacon grease, sausage grease, is kind of filtering down to where these potatoes are. It gives it a little bit more flavor, y'all. All right, after you flip that, don't forget to season this other side of these potatoes with some more of this essential blend. Let's see what our bacon's looking like. Oh man, hello bacon. I want to move these up here because they're pretty much done. All right, now it's time to get our eggs on. And what I've done is I cut this 2 burners off right here where I'm going to do these eggs. You don't want to do eggs at a really high temperature. We're going to add a little bit of essentials blend to this, season the eggs up. And then after about a couple minutes, they're ready to flip. We're just going to do this one whole thing just like that because we're cool like that. We're bougie like that. Now we're going to come in with some cheese. This is just a creamy melt, triple cheddar. Use whatever cheese you like. Don't hate me for using pre-shredded cheese. Please and thank you. So our eggs, they're pretty much done. And I'm just going to fold these dudes over into it just like that. Jeez Louise, look at that. That's a big old omelet, really. But that's going to go into our burrito. Maybe not that whole thing, but it'll be close. Let's check on our hash browns. And I think they are nice and done. All right, star of the show now. These big old burritos. Look at this thing. Good night in the morning. I can hide behind this thing. What you don't want to do, y'all, is you don't want to just go ahead and put the stuff in it. You want to kind of steam these, all right? And it makes the tortilla, makes it pliable, just makes it nice and soft. So do this extra step, you will love it, okay? And what I'm going to do is take a little bit of water, just a little bit. We're going to put our tortilla on that, okay? Not long at all. And then we're going to come in and flip it on this side. I'm talking 30 seconds max, y'all. So after about 30 seconds, this thing is nice and pliable. It's time to build this bad boy, y'all. We're going to take our burrito right off the Blackstone, put it on our workspace here, and we're going to add our eggs first, then some hash browns, then some bacon, some sausage, and then some more cheese. Now comes the fun part. Let's wrapping all this stuff up. We'll wrap this thing like a present. So just come in, bring your ingredients kind of tight, fold in the sides, and then start tucking everything in just like this. Tucking out all your sides. And just keep on rolling nice and tight until you have something that looks kind of like this right here. All right, we're not done yet. We're gonna take this big old hog leg and we're gonna put it onto the griddle. I'll put a little bit of butter down and we're gonna toast this bad boy up. Apply a little pressure. If you got a weight, put your weight down, but this right here would be good. Y'all, I'm kind of curious to see how heavy this thing is. 1.598, almost 1.6 pounds of breakfast burrito. Woohoo, dang. Good night in the morning. That's a big old burrito. And now, coming in at 1.6 pounds, big old breakfast burrito. All right, let's see what we got here. We'll do our cross section here. Ooh. Boys and girls. Ooh. Look at that burrito. That's a beautiful thing right there. Good night in the morning. I like it. All right, guys, there is nothing else left for me to do but to try these groceries. Let's see how we did. I want this one right here. It's got my name written all over it. It says Hussey. Cheers, y'all. This is a beautiful thing. Dang it, boys. That tortilla where we steamed it is still nice and soft, pillowy. The eggs are pillowy also. Bunches of cheese. Get a lot of crunch texture from the hash browns and that bacon. A little hot sauce for me. I like to do a little hot sauce. Just a little bit. A little sriracha. Oh man, this levels it up. Y'all, this is some good groceries right here. I'm sure you and your family would love it. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see really awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.